Good morning, student. I am your bio teacher, and from today we are going to start new topic, photosynthesis. As you know, student, what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process in which the plant make their own food. See, student, first we see what is the meaning of photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. Means photosynthesis, photo means what? Light, and synthesis means to make. The process in which the organisms can make the food in presence of light. This process is called as the photosynthesis. As you know, student, the living organisms, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophic organism and heterotrophic organism. Autotrophic and heterotrophic organism. Autotrophic organism, the living organism can make their own food. This organism is called as the autotrophic organism, and heterotrophic organism is what? The organism cannot make their food. They depends the autotrophic organisms for a food. Got it? The plant, you know that the green plant, it contains the chlorophyll pigment, so the green plant can make their own food. The autotrophic is a green plant. Green plant have a ability to make their own food, so the plant is called as the autotrophs. And heterotrophs, like us, we are not make our own food. We are depending for the food to autotrophic organism. Let us see the process of photosynthesis. Process of photosynthesis. Understood what is meant by photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means to make. See, student, you know that all living organisms are need of food for survive. So everybody is need for food. Some living organism can make their own food. This living organism is called as the autotrophic. And the organisms cannot make their own food. This living organism is called as the heterotrophic. As you know, student, the plant is a autotrophic. Why? Because the plants can make their own food. Got it? And in this video we are going to study about that, the how can the plant can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. See, student, the green plant contain the pigment. This pigment is called as the chlorophyll. And with the help of this pigment, plant absorb the water and mineral from the soil and take the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and make their own food. See, student, this is the surface of leaf. On the surface of leaf have a small opening. This small opening, like that opening, and this small opening is called as the stomata. These are like our nose. We are take the oxygen and throw out the carbon dioxide. With the help of stomata, the leaves absorb the carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Okay, and take the water and minerals from the soil. The roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and transport to the upper part of the leaf. And in the leaf there is presence the very important organelles. These organelles is called, and these organelles are present the chlorophyll pigment. Got it, student? And with the help of chlorophyll pigment, in presence of sunlight, plant can make their own food. Let us again explain. See, the green plant, by the process of photosynthesis, the green plant absorb the water and mineral from the soil and transport to the leaf. And the leaf have a stomata. This is the small pores. It is a small opening. With the help of spores, with the help of stomata, the leaf can absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Means the water and mineral and carbon dioxides are a raw material of the plant, and in presence of sunlight, the plant, with the help of chlorophyll pigment, plant can make their own food. In the next video, I will details explain about that. What is the structure of chlorophyll pigment? What is the some parts is very important in presence in the chlorophyll, and how does with the help of this part the plant can make their own food. Got it, student? Then see what is the definition of photosynthesis. It is the process. See, it is the process in which green plant make their own food with the help of CO2, water and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. This process is called as the photosynthesis. Got it, student? What is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the process in which the green plant take the carbon dioxide from atmosphere, absorb the water and minerals from the soil, and in presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll pigment in it, the plant can make their own food. This process is called as the photosynthesis. Got it, student? What is meant by photosynthesis? See, I will explain what is the reactions is carried out in the plant and how does the food is formed. See, carbon dioxide plus water, H2O. CO2 means carbon dioxide and H2O means water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. The plant make their food is called glucose and oxygen. See, student, means the plant is required for carbon dioxide and water. It is a raw material. In the chlorophyll pigment is present the thylakoids, and thylakoids are trap the sunlight. So the process is carried out and form the glucose and oxygen. Got it, student? Means the sunlight and chlorophyll pigment is not add in that reaction. It is only work as a catalyst. Means the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, the reaction is carried out. Got it, student? What is mean by the process of sunlight? Absorption. The roots, again I will explain. The root is absorb the waters and minerals from the soil and transport to upward part. The leaf is present the chlorophyll pigment and also present the stomata. The stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and with the help of water, minerals and carbon dioxide, with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment, the plant can make their own food. Got it? The chlorophyll pigment is absorb the light energy, and this light energy is converted into the chemical energy and also release the oxygen. You know that the oxygen is very important for us. Means by the process of photosynthesis we get the food and oxygen from the plant. Now in the next video I will details explain about that what is the structure of stomata, what is the structure of chlorophyll pigment. Okay, student? Thank you.